everybody and Assalamualaikum, and my name is Tania Yara Inaya. I read in class 4. Do you know up here that I achieved a prize in essay? And do you know I given this exam before some days in Liakats? And today I'm feeling amazing and I'm on cloud 9. I can't express my happiness to you that how much happy is now. So do you know I've also given another exam in Liakats, and don't you think that Liakats is a very amazing institute? And in this institute I learned a lot of lessons in my life. Actually, I learned English here and presentation and a lot of other activities here. And you know that Liakats is my first inspiration for learning English. In Liakats, I do my first course for English. So that is why actually, and now I'm in Liakats, and you can know that how much great I'm feeling now. And I've also achieved a prize, so although I'm feeling really amazing and nice. So if you want to get prize like this, please admit in Liakats with me, and I think that you will get a very great prize, and also it is a better teaching system. So yeah, pray for me and stay safe, stay hungry, stay foolish. Assalamualaikum.